Good morning, everyone. Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm actually taking a little road trip to San Antonio, Texas, and to help my cousin rebuild the fence around his house. And here's my little trailer here that I'm pulling with my Xterra, and as you can see, I got my wheelbarrow and my cement mixer right there, some crushed tone I'm going to be using, spare tire for the trailer, and my Xterra, like I said, that is, there's the my clothes, my cooler right there with all my snacks and drinks and goodies. And you can also see from the inside that the trailer is loaded to the gills with all my other tools that I'm going to use for this project. So this is just a little quick video, a little intro to me getting on the road. I'm about 2 hours from the house. Just stopped in to get some Java right there. I'm going to be having my breakfast on the road, and I got about another 15 hours to go. So I'll keep you posted as I get along. All right, see you soon.